Hello everybody, it's me. Sorry for not making a video in a while. Anyway, in this video I'm going to be talking about two new coronavirus vaccines that seem to be pretty promising. There are two vaccines currently in their final trials. Basically how a vaccine can get approved is first they have to go through preclinical testing, where they test on animals to see if it works. Then phase 1 with a small number of people, phase 2 with hundreds of people, phase 3 with thousands of people. And then finally, each country decides whether to approve the vaccine for use or not. In an emergency, they can apply for an emergency use authorization before getting formal approval. The first vaccine is by a company named Moderna. They actually started making this vaccine back in January, and they were the first to start human trials. They say that it's 94.5% effective. 11 people in a trial did get severe disease, however, none of them were vaccinated, so they likely got placebo. This kind of implies that the vaccine does protect against severe disease, as none of the people who were vaccinated got it. They plan to submit emergency use authorization in the next few weeks, so hopefully that will be coming soon. The other vaccine is by a company named Pfizer. It is 95% effective. At the beginning, they had two versions of the vaccine that seemed to work. However, one had significantly less side effects, so that one was then advanced to the next trials. That one has about mild to moderate side effects. There are already trials going on in several countries like America, Argentina, Brazil, and Germany. In October, they got permission to test the vaccine on children as young as 12 years old. And the vaccine seems to be 94% effective on people 65 and older, which are most susceptible to the coronavirus. And in these trials, they found no serious side effects, so that is also pretty promising. They already submitted a request for emergency use authorization November 20th, and the decision should come in the next few weeks over whether it will be approved or not. Countries are already buying hundreds of millions of doses, and Pfizer plans to make 1.3 billion doses by the end of 2021 if approved. There are a few downsides to this vaccine, as it must be very cold during transportation. So basically it has to be stored in cold temperature until it's time to administer it to somebody. It has to be kept in negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit, which is negative 70 degrees Celsius. So obviously that's very cold. They are making special boxes used to transport these that will keep them at the temperature needed. It also requires 2 doses, so you get your first dose of the vaccine and then you have to get another one 3 weeks later. And so this could cause complications if people do not go back to get their second dose, as they may not be fully protected. But hopefully, enough people get the vaccine. 1.3 billion doses is a lot. By the end of next year, that's about 1 in every 7 people. So hopefully that might be enough to cause herd immunization, where enough people have it where they protect the people who can't get it, as people who with compromised immune system or a weak immune system may not be able to get the vaccine, as it may do more harm than good for them. So hopefully if enough healthy people get it, then it could significantly slow the spread of coronavirus, which is really going out of control right now, especially in the United States. I mean, I'm in Texas and we're having pretty bad numbers. So, hopefully at least one of them gets approved and we can start going back to how things used to be. And yeah, sorry for not making a video in a while. It's just I don't really have an excuse. I just procrastinate a lot. So hopefully, now I made this video, I can start making more. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are the two main vaccines that seem to be going on right now. And thanks for watching. Bye.